What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Industrial Espionage in Arc Raiders. For this, we'll need to find a weapon cache and put a weapon inside of it. You'll need to put a Burletta in it. Obviously, if you lose this one that you're granted by getting this mission, you'll need to just get another one. And of course, you won't necessarily know which one it is. It's one of these. I'll just take a tier 1 damaged Burletta and we'll place it on us. Now, the best place would be the safe pocket, but as you can't do that, you'll need to carry it in your inventory or, of course, as a second weapon. Now, of course, you can do this during the day or the night. So spawning in, head all the way across to the far northeast section by the Sue Durante warehouse. For me, it's literally on the opposite side of the map, so I've got quite a bit of jogging to do. Obviously, you can use this Burletta. You can probably even take a broken one. You just need to actually deliver one. And many unfortunate attempts later, we finally spawned exactly where we need to be. This time, you'll need to head across to this location here. Now, I spawned inside of this building, which is a fantastic place to spawn, meaning I don't have to lose yet another one of these to enemy players. I'll just run across to this gas station right next to the hospital and the place where we previously came for the last cache. And here on the northern side of this, you should find the cache right here. What we'll do is we'll just interact. Boop, there goes your gun. And now as soon as you've completed that, head across to the backside, interact, and you'll put a bug there in order to complete this mission. That's it. Just bring the gun with you. Nothing special. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.